Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are gonna do some programs based on while loop for better understanding the while loop. So first is we got a program here and we are supposed to guess its output. So we got a x variable with value of 1 and the while condition says x. If x is less than or equals to 3, then the condition is true. So it will print 1 2 3 because it's incrementing by one value. So if we run it, it will print 1 2 3. Okay. So now let's move on to the next question, which is question 2. In this case, if you guys did already, like what it will do comment below that I got the infinite loop program, and if you can see, we don't have any increment here. Increment means increasing the value of the variable, like whatever variable you are using in the loop. So here the x will be 5 and it will be always greater than 0, and then it will print infinitely. It won't stop ever. Okay, so this was our second question. Now let's move on to the coding based question now, where we write our program. Print numbers from 10 to 1 using a while loop. So we have already printed 1 2 3 in this program, and if you just do it like this, I'll just show it to you once. So it's printing 1 to 10. So now we are supposed to do the opposite. So what we can do is, first we will take a variable saying 10, and then while greater than equals to 1, print. Okay, I think it needs space. Okay, I didn't added count here, my bad. Then we add count, then we do count minus equals to 1. Okay, so let's try running it, and it's printing 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. That was the question, so we got it right in first try. So yeah, I forgot the explanation. So what's happening here is count value is 10 and it's checking if the count value is greater than or equals to 1, then print the count variable's value. And after doing that, decrement, it means decrease one value or whatever value you subtracted from the variable, then decrement it. In my case it's 1. Okay, so now it's the ask the user to guess a number until they guess 7. Okay, so we have to do it like this. While first we have to take input num equals to int input, enter, guess, let's write guess the number. Okay, and then while num not equals to 7, then do this and print x's. Oh sorry, let's just write this first if I'm not wrong, then let's try writing it. Okay, so if you don't enter this one, it will throw you an error, but it's giving us an infinite loop here. So let's say it will ask for this, and if num equals to 7, then continue, and it will continue to here access granted. Okay, now let's try running it again. So I am doing something wrong. While num is not defined. Okay. So I think we have to, yeah, let's try this one now. If I enter 5, it's asking for again and again. But then I didn't enter anything. And if I press 7 and enter it, it's saying access granted. So we got the right program for the question. Okay. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are gonna learn about for loops.